So in this video, we're going to look at a movement that I use a lot in Tribal from the Trap, which is a really juicy figure of 8. It's very similar, it's not the same, nowhere near the same. That doesn't make any sense. It's similar, but not the same to the Valley, which is a really beautiful Tahitian movement. So this move is inspired by that, but it's absolutely not that. So yes, if you are brand new to this, please warm up first, then come back and see me before we do it. What I want you to do is also check out my Juicy 8s on my Tribal from the Trap series, or actually I think it's a figure of 8 series on YouTube. Check that out because I'm not going to teach you how to do the Juicy 8, but we are going to have a look at the stylization for this. Okay, so let's bend the knees a little bit and take the legs nice and wide. I'm going to do a figure of 8 motion. So I go right, left, right. Notice my heel turns in. So it's similar. I also teach Ori Tahiti, which is very beautiful dance from Tahiti. So I'm influenced by that, of course. So in Tribal from the Trap, I have a lot of influence from all of my stylization, from all of the classes and all of the dance styles that I've trained in and studied. Tribal from the Trap is my style, Tribal Fusion. It's also, the music is also available for everybody who wants to use music without having their videos cut or blocked or muted. The music is license free. So if you're a dancer, a teacher, a performer, and you want to use some music, feel free, go ahead, go use Tribal from the Trap. Anyway, we shift the hips, we shift the hips, we shift the hips. And now, in my classes, I actually nickname this move the Juicy Butt, because it's all about your butt, and it's all about making it as juicy as you can. Okay, so you kind of take the figure of 8 and you put it behind you. So if I had an angle pointing on my figure of 8, it would point diagonally backwards. So we're going to start legs wide, and then I'm going to get you to step it, and we're going to start to bring it together. We're going to really stylize this movement, okay? So in my school, in Tribal from the Trap, which is my style, Tribal Fusion, I call this the Juicy Butt. Juicy Butt. You will get a really good butt from this because it really works the muscles of your bum cheeks. So 1, 2, 1, figure of 8. So I teach this again, I call this the Juicy 8. I teach this in my figure of 8 series, I believe, on YouTube. Okay, and if you want to learn all of this sort of stuff properly, you've got to learn it on my actual website, on my actual online classes, because they run as courses. So you learn properly, each class is an hour. Not like YouTube, not like one simple one-off techniques like this. It's a full-on class, full-on course, progress from week to week. Okay, so now I want to step it, step it. So you want to imagine you're digging into the floor with your hip and your foot. Dig, and let the body roll with you. So if it feels too much at the moment, it's a very stylized move. If it feels too much at the moment, just focus on the hips. Otherwise, really juicy it. That's why I call it Juicy Butt. The word juicy is there all the time. And you want to dig the floor. And now we're going to bring your legs together and do it. Let the body flow. Let the body flow. Find your groove and dig the floor with your feet and your hips. And now we're going to fold over from the hips. I'm going to face the side so you can see. I have a flat back. And I push my hips behind me. And it's like I want to exaggerate the back. Okay, and I step. You've got to lift the heels. And you've got to get all of the weight wherever your hip weight is. So wherever I step onto the left, my hip goes to the left and round the back. If I step on the right, it goes to the right. And you have to lift the heels, otherwise you twist your knee. Okay, so you're going right and left. Push the hips behind you. I'm going to face back. Same thing. So push your bottom. Scoop the hips. Scoop the hips. Really scoop it. 1, 2. Let the body go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. And now we're going to add a little bit more stylization. So there's many styles of this move that I like to do, that I teach, but I'm just going to share one with you today. So, as well as letting the body flow in opposition or with the hips, we're going to add on something else. So, when we say hands, we're going to tap the thigh. Right, left, right, left, right, left. So if I step on my right, tap the right, step on my left, I tap the left. 1, 2. We're going to advance it a little bit more in a second. If this is too much, just stop here and try to figure out the figure of 8 first. As I said, it's very stylized movement. Okay, so we'll start wide. We'll narrow it in. So 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left. Get low, and juicy butt. Juicy butt. Swing your hips. 1, 2. We're gonna bring your legs close together. And then 1. Now get low as you can and fold forward from the hips. So you're pushing your figure of 8 behind you. Now if I step on the right, my hand's gonna go on the right. If I step on the left, my hand's gonna go on the left. 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 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 right. Now when I go right, I'm going to drop my right shoulder down. When I go left, I'm going to drop my left. So I'm kind of twisting from my waist actually. So 1, 2, 1, 2. There's so many variations I have of this, but I'll show you. We'll do this one with you first. Okay, so are you ready? Let's try it. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, scoop the hips. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. No hands. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then juicy it, juicy it, juicy it, juicy it, juicy it. Ha. Hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Head. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Hand. Shoulders. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, amazing job, well done. Check out my website for loads and loads and loads of classes. I teach many styles of dance and they run as courses so you can progress from one week to the next. I created a syllabus in my school, so you guarantee to journey with me and learn from one week to the next. There's a whole group of videos to choose from. It's very different from studying on YouTube. Very different. Anyways, that's BellyDance.com. And if you want to listen to Tribal from a Trap music, go to tribalfromatrap.com. Tribal from the Trap. And also their music is available everywhere. If you're a teacher, dancer, performer, you can use their music license free. So you won't have any problems streaming it, doing it online, anything like that. Anyway, thank you so much. And